Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create your ChatGPT account. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. Now just a quick tip, if you're planning to get subscriptions such as ChatGPT or anything else for a much cheaper or better price, scroll down until you see the first link in the description or the first link in the comment section below, which will send you to Gamsgo, where it offers multiple subscriptions where you share your password with other people under one account, like a big family. And so from here you can get anything much cheaper. So for example, ChatGPT Plus right here is only 5.6 euros a month. And so you can get 3 months for only 17 euros, but the original price is 60 as we know it. And so from here just go to the QR code and then write gummy to get an additional 5% off. And to create a ChatGPT account, all you have to do is go to chatgpt.com, the official website, and then from here go to sign up for free on the top right. From here, you're going to fill in your email address or any information, such as like that. Once you fill in your email and your password, click on continue. And then right there from here, it's going to send you a code, which you're going to fill for your email address. Fill it just like this, click continue, and then write your full name, whatever you want, and then your birthday. And just like that, now you have your official ChatGPT account, which you can customize it by telling it what you're using it for, school, work, personal task, or whatever. And there you go, now you're all set and you can use it just like you want, and you can enable any options that is asking for you, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching, see you next time, bye bye.